Device plugin is the plugin that provides you the detailed information about the device that you are running the app on. So is it an Android, is it an iOS, what's the hardware of it, what's the version of the Cordova that you are using, etc, etc. What can the device plugin be used for? This device plugin can be used for good amount of analytics. This device plugin can be used to gather the analytics from our application installation base. Let's say if we have thousands of installations of our application, we will get to know what kind of devices people love to use. We'll also get to know that some people might be on an older version of an Android, whereas some people might be on the new version of an Android. Some people might have iOS, some people might have Android, some people might have Windows. So we can build our functionalities and target our functionalities based on the user base. We can discuss that, okay, do we need to support Windows when the user base is so small, like 2 or 3%, and we can also make informed decision, like let's say that if Android user base is like more than 80%, we definitely need to support this functionality in that, since that's our largest user base. Let us get hands-on on device plugin. You can go to exercise 8 and open the www folder. You can go ahead and open the index.js. We can see that there is a device ready event that has been registered over here in the bind events function, and we have the callback of device ready. Now, as I said that this plugin is only available on device ready, but before using this plugin we need to install the plugin. How can we install the plugin? We have to run the command PhoneGap plugin add Cordova plugin device. So we'll just copy this, go to the terminal and hit paste. We'll wait for this plugin to be added, and this plugin gets registered in the config.xml. Let's go ahead and look. If we go ahead and search device plugin, so over here it mentions that we are dependent on the device plugin. So now the plugin is installed for us. Let us go back to the index.js and jump right into the device ready function. In the device ready function, we can access the device information. But how do we access the device information? The device information is available on the global device object. So let us go ahead and try to access the global device object. We'll go ahead and say write a variable, and we'll just append the strings for now. Let's go ahead and have a look at what all things we can access. Let us go ahead. We can access the platform, we can access the Cordova version, we can access model, we can access version, we can access the UUID of the device. And let us go ahead and access the Cordova first. We can access the platform as well. We can access the device model. We can access the platform version. we can access the UUID as well. Since we have accessed all the properties over here that a device can provide, let us go ahead and just append this property somewhere inside our HTML. Now, since we have all these information available readily at our hand, let us go ahead and append this information in our page. We're going to look for a PhoneGap element and then we are going to append it. Since we don't have any PhoneGap element, I'll just go ahead and create it quickly. I'll create a more logical name. And let us go ahead and look if we get this information from PhoneGap or not. So I'm running the application. Here you can see the PhoneGap command running the application on Android device. And as we can see, the launch screen comes up and it gives us the information about the device. We get the Cordova version, that is 7.1.4. Platform is Android. The device model is OnePlus A6T10 and platform version is 9. We also have the device UUID. So this is pretty much it from the device plugin. Thank you.